In this video, I want to talk about painting a tileable ground and a hill based on the color lessons we talk about. In part 1, we learn about blending two colors. In part 2, we have a practical example of the blending two colors, explanation of the texture in brush setting, explanation of dual brush in brush setting. In part 3, we paint a tileable ground. We talk about painting base color, painting over base color with lighter shade of it, blending colors, adding grass stroke to have local contrast, painting the road, adding flowers and pebbles. In part 4, we repeat the same steps we took in part 3 to paint a hill. In this part, we want to learn to draw something like this or this hill based on what we learn about color in this part. First, we need to know how to blend two colors together. To blend two colors together, in brush setting, in transfer, you need to set control to pen pressure. So your pen is sensitive to the amount of pressure you apply during paint. If you right click or if you press the button on your pen, maybe some pen don't have it, but if you press the button on your pen, you will access to this menu. Here you control the brush tip. Is it going to be hard or soft? You can also access to this setting from here. Or from here. Hardness, softness. I prefer to use my button on my pen, but you can choose what way you prefer to do. When you're painting, if you hold Alt, your brush will change to color picker. So you can pick color from wherever you want without changing your tool. As you can see, my active tool is brush tool, but by pressing Alt, I turn it to color picker. When you want to blend two colors together, the point is the position that you take sample from must gradually start to come closer to each other. Here I start to paint. As I told you, I turn on transfer and pen pressure is active. I take sample from the darker color and I start to paint on the lighter color. Because I do not have full pressure on my pen, only a percentage of the main color will apply to the top of the other color. With this technique, I gradually can fade the transition between two colors. I try to take sample from the color that have more contrast with surrounding area. Then I paint on it so it gradually fade with other parts.